Hey everybody, welcome back to another Spa and Sauna Company video blog. If it's not here yet, winter weather is fast approaching. That means it's time to start looking forward to winter hot tub usage, or maybe it's time to start considering winterizing your hot tub. So it might sound pretty obvious, but the first thing you're gonna need to consider is, are you gonna be near your hot tub this winter? If your hot tub is in your backyard and easily accessible, then you should absolutely plan on using your hot tub this winter. Winter is probably the best time to enjoy the benefits of regular spa use. And then of course, on the other hand, maybe your hot tub is at a second residence and you don't see yourself getting there that much this winter, then you might wanna consider winterizing your hot tub. So if you're wondering how to winterize your hot tub, the first thing I have to say is that it's not that simple of a process. It is time consuming, and if it's not done correctly, you do risk seriously damaging your hot tub. Because of that, we do recommend consulting your owner's manual, or better yet, giving us a call to discuss the specifics about winterizing your hot tub and your particular model. And we also recommend having a professional technician do that winterization. We're gonna have trained professionals that know exactly what to do to winterize your particular hot tub. So now let's switch gears a little bit and say that you're gonna be using your hot tub this winter, which after all, that is exactly what we hope you'll be doing. Some things to keep in mind during those winter months while you're enjoying your spa. Tip number one is make it easy on your hot tub. If you turn your jets down a little bit, resist the temptation to melt snowballs in your water and clear off the snow on your cover or on your tub itself, it's gonna help your tub maintain that optimal water temperature, which is gonna make your soak more enjoyable. Tip number two is to keep it safe, and we actually recommend limiting your winter hot tub soaks to around 15 minutes. Your body is gonna be working harder to regulate temperature when it's exposed to two extremes, like when you're sitting and soaking in hot water, but let's say your shoulders or your head are exposed to cold weather. Tip number three is to plan your exit. This is really important in the winter months. Make sure that there is a path cleared between your house and your hot tub, a place that you can move back and forth. Personally, I'd recommend closed-toe shoes or even some boots that you can slip in and out of very easily, just to avoid any slippage. And as usual, please feel free to call us with any questions, or if you'd like to schedule an appointment to winterize your tub, we can certainly do that for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.